By the end of this video, you will not just be able to answer the Wie geht es Ihnen question with confidence, you will also know everything about the cultural implications. Have you ever asked a German native speaker, "How are you?" and they started to tell you their whole life story? Why is that? Why don't they just say, "I'm fine," and you? Because when we ask, "Wie geht's?" this is a conversation starter. We want to hear your honest reply. If you feel good, you can say it. But if you feel bad, you can say it as well. Wie geht es Ihnen? So, super is super. For the next two, you can swap. You can say, "Danke, sehr gut." Thank you, very good. Or you can say, "Sehr gut, danke." Gut, danke, you can swap it as well. It simply means, thank you, good. The next two ones are negative answers. Naja, es geht. So that's basically just meaning, yeah, it's kind of going, but it isn't great. And the last one, ach, nicht so gut, is not so good. Typically, people will ask, oh, warum? Warum denn? So, why? And the denn there doesn't carry any meaning really, it just makes things more empathetic. Ich bin, I am. Müde, sleepy or tired. Ich bin krank, I am sick. Ich habe viel Stress, I have a lot of stress. Let's read it together. Wie geht es Ihnen? Super! Danke, sehr gut. Gut, danke. Naja, es geht. Ach, nicht so gut. Warum denn? Ich bin müde. Ich bin krank. Ich habe viel Stress. So obviously we want to ask the question back to be polite. How do we do this? Easy. We ask Und Ihnen? So the conversation goes like this. Wie geht es Ihnen? Super. Und Ihnen? Let's look at the du form. Wie geht es dir? Not du. Wie geht es du does not exist. Wie geht es dir? Or wie geht's? Even more casual. And when we ask back, we have to say Und dir, not und du. So I think I've talked enough. Now it's your turn. We want to do the dialogue together. I will ask you, wie geht's? Wie geht es dir? So we are using the du form. And you will answer, if I do this, I want you to answer positive. Super, danke, sehr gut. But if I do this, I want you to answer negative. Don't forget to bounce the question back at me. Wie geht's? Mir geht's auch gut, danke. Wie geht's dir? Warum denn? Great, let's swap. Now it's your turn to ask and I will answer. You can speak now. Super! Und dir? And one more time, you can speak now. Naja, es geht. Ich habe viel Arbeit. Alright, good work. This conversation is quite important, and if you are planning to have the oral exam, you will have to expect these questions. The examiners will ask you, wie geht's? And then you will answer gut, and then you will say und du, and that's wrong. It's und dir, but that's a classic mistake I hear over and over again.